The 2018-19 Premier League was the 27th season of the Premier League, the top English professional league for association football clubs since its establishment in 1992. The season started on 10 August 2018 and concluded on 12 May 2019. Fixtures for the 2018-19 season were announced on 14 June 2018. The league was contested by the top 17 teams from the 2017-18 season as well as Wolverhampton Wanderers, Cardiff City and Fulham, who joined as the promoted clubs from the 2017-18 EFL Championship. They replaced West Bromwich Albion, Swansea City and Stoke City, who were relegated to the 2018-19 EFL Championship. Defending champions Manchester City won their fourth Premier League title and sixth English top-flight title overall. They won their last 14 league games and retained the league title on the final day of the season, finishing on 98 points. Liverpool finished runners-up with 97 points, the highest total in English top-flight history for a second-place team. Manchester City claimed the league title on the final day of the season with a 4-1 win at Brighton and Hove Albion, finishing on 98 points after a run of 14 wins. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.